Hi guys, it's me. If you're searching for a projector that's built for professional environments instead of casual home use, this is one you should seriously look at. The NP-PV800UL-B1 LCD projector is designed for permanent installations where image quality, brightness, and long-term reliability are non-negotiable. This projector doesn't try to impress with flashy styling or ultra-portable design. Its focus is performance. The kind of performance you need in conference rooms, universities, training centers, auditoriums, and commercial spaces where the projector is expected to work flawlessly every single day. One of the most important features here is the 16:10 aspect ratio. This format is ideal for professional content. Presentations, spreadsheets, diagrams, dashboards, and widescreen visuals all fit naturally on screen. There's more vertical space than standard 16:9, which means less scrolling, better readability, and a more comfortable viewing experience for large audiences. LCD projection technology plays a big role in how this projector looks in real-world use. Colors appear balanced and consistent across the entire image. Whites stay bright, text remains crisp, and visuals don't suffer from distracting artifacts. Whether you're projecting static slides or video content, the image stays stable and clear for extended sessions. Brightness is another area where this projector shines. It's built to perform in rooms with ambient light. You don't need blackout curtains or dark rooms to get a clear image. Lights can stay on, and the content remains visible and sharp. That makes it ideal for business meetings, classrooms, and venues where controlling lighting isn't always practical. The ceiling-mountable design makes this projector perfect for clean, professional installations. Once it's mounted, it stays out of sight and keeps the space organized. The black finish blends naturally into most ceilings and professional interiors, helping maintain a polished and distraction-free environment. Reliability is a major strength here. This projector is built for long operating hours and consistent use. It's designed to run day after day without overheating, flickering, or losing brightness. That kind of dependability is critical in professional settings where downtime can disrupt meetings, classes, or events. Installation flexibility also adds to its value. It integrates smoothly into existing AV systems, making it a solid option for both new setups and upgrades. For IT teams and installers, this means fewer headaches and easier long-term management. This projector makes sense for buyers who prioritize performance over gimmicks. If you manage a corporate space, educational institution, or commercial venue and need a projector that delivers clear visuals, strong brightness, and dependable operation, this model fits that role perfectly. If you're interested in checking the latest pricing or availability, make sure to visit the link provided in the description.